Hello, in this video I explain about user defined functions. User defined functions are custom functions that you create. Unlike the built-in functions available in Pinescript, I explained about built-in functions in previous lesson. Built user-defined function particularly useful for defining calculations you need to perform repeatedly or for separating specific tasks from the main calculations in your script. Okay, for example, repeatedly. I want to uh, define wanting to round our kilos and I want to make okay yes right I want to make something to add this value to our kilos and high price. Let's do it. uh, and we want to plot this. We say okay here mm, my for example my first is kilos plus this value and my first high is high plus this value. Okay, I can add kilos here too. So here I want to plot this my first kilos with color dot green, and also I want to plot my first high with color this this variable color, for example, dot white. Okay, so we have this add 0.5 value to high and this add 0 dot point value to kilos. I said here repeatedly. Okay, perform repeatedly. Here logic is same, but there is just one difference: kilos and high. We can use function here. How? Let's do it. Say f x and x plus this. So here instead x you can add anything. I and then what you added here it will add this. Okay, for what you added here it will plus that to this amount. Okay, for example here I want to add kilos plus this. So here I put kilos. Here I want to put high. So I delete this just with one line, okay, and giving different parameters. I have same result, okay. So perform repeatedly, okay. We have inline. Yeah, we have single line functions. I explained. We have multi-line functions like this, like SMI. In SMI, we have multi-line function. Okay, it gets two parameters x and y. In x we gave it kilos, and for y we gave 15. So it will do calculation here in several line, okay, like this. And we have also function that return multiple results. This is important. Like that boolean bands. Okay. Here if you see, it will give us three results. Okay, we can use each of this. And you write your code, and then in a bracket you define. Okay. For example, here in first we have basic, we calculated basic. In second we have basic plus dev. Okay, basic plus dev. So when we use pine upper, we have this value. And third, if we use pine lower, we have this value. Okay, multiple results. And one thing, for a function, you should, after enter, you can enter and write, okay, no problem. Or you should uh, tap, you should press tab. If you press space, it's not, it gives you error. As you see, you should press tab, or just press enter, okay, when you and go for new line. If you go to new line here, so you can just press tab and write, okay.